Hi everyone! So today, try namin tong ice cream na nabili namin kanina sa grocery. It's a peach ice cream. So try namin siya today.
We're gonna eat it.
Oh, you get one na. Ayan, ang cute-cute niya. Ayan, sobrang cute. Ano ba ito?
I know.
Ang cute.
Damn.
So, itry ko na. Sarap.
And cute.
Sarap. Ikaw, you try. How does it taste? Kagatin mo, you bite. Ay, sarap. Lasa siyang milk. Hindi siya lasang peach. Lasa siyang milk. So, design lang talaga yung peach niya. So, may dalawang flavor to, mango and peach. So, peach yung binili namin. How does it taste?
I don't like it.
Ay, you don't like it. So, hindi niya nagustuhan. Chocolate lang talaga gusto niya. So, yun lang. Sobrang cute. Pero ako nagustuhan ko siya. Diba?